You're watching how Leap lets optimize your content for AI search like Google's AI overviews. First, structure your content clearly. Use descriptive headings and bullet points as AI extracts information from well organized pages. Write in a question and answer format, directly addressing common user queries. Second, focus on topic authority. Create comprehensive content that covers a subject in depth, linking to trusted sources. AI values expertise. Third, implement structured data markup on your website. Use schema or code to label key information, helping AI understand and cite your content. Fourth, optimize for people also ask sections by researching related questions with tools like Answorth a Public and providing clear, concise answers. Finally, prioritize high quality, factual content. AI is trained to reward accuracy and penalize misinformation. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.